Hello and welcome everybody to another unboxing and sneak peek video at upcoming builds. Well, let's get right into it. First off, on the wrist, SRPD 59. On my StrapX Pro, SX1A, I do believe it is. As I told you guys, I'm going to do a long-term video on this strap, so I've been putting it on every watch I wear, and I haven't worn any other strap since. But back to today's video. I picked this up locally. Pretty cheap, 20 bucks. It's a case. Screw down crown. Nothing special, but hey, for the price of it, and I was surprised that it was local. Couldn't say no. So we'll put that to the side. We'll get right into these others. I'm curious to see what came. Let's see. Number one. Oh, another case. Excellent. I'm very curious to see this one. I have a few builds coming up. I've just been waiting for these parts. I tell you, the waiting is horrible. Take a quick look here. Oh, that's nice. I even sent a few of them. That's really nice. There you go. There's a nice case. If you can make out that dark green on the bezel there. Let's pop it open. Have a better look. There we go. Whoop. Oh, okay. Bezel wasn't even on there. Ha! My fault. Take a look at that. I like that insert. I'm not going to say what these are all about just yet as far as what I have in mind for builds. What I am going to let you know is my next few here are going to be themed. There's a specific nerdy day coming up soon, and I would like to have a few builds made for then. Nice little chapter ring inside and everything. Wunderbar. I like that case. Excellent. So we have two cases and a really nice little bezel. Sorry, bezel insert. Bezel insert stickers. Excellent. Very happy with that. Move on. Let's see what else. We'll leave that one. Well, let's open it. No, you know what? I've already got this one open. I had to open it just to take a quick look, see what was going on. Here you go. Seiko OEM cases. I like them apples. That's pretty sharp. Nice. Got a few of these. I'm going to do a couple of a little bit more dress watch style builds. Seiko, like kind of a, I suppose, a presage style theme, not themed, but influenced. So that's what's in here. I had a couple of those. Happy about those. Those are actually really, really nice. All right, another little guy. Let's see what's in here. Wow. Good packaging, or this knife is getting really, really dull. It's a really nice little knife, though. Damascus, and I believe it's camel bone, actually. But it's not what we're here for, is it? What's this? Oh, nice. Okay, this is the bracelet that I had first in mind to go with this case here with this green bezel insert. So this was my idea, or an idea, let's say. That's nice to give you a bunch of spring bars, a little tool. Wow, this is wrapped like crazy. How are we gonna get into this with a dull knife? Apparently, we'll figure this out. No, I don't want to take a chance of scratching it. Nice. Solid end links. It's a black Jubilee. Black PVD Jubilee. Wow, they really wrapped the snot out of this thing. There we go. There we go. Wow. Well, hey, I'm not going to complain. You got to say it was definitely packaged nicely. That's for sure. Packaged well. Jeepers. Okay, I think we're finally out. There we go. That's actually pretty nice. And Seiko logo on it, on the clasp. It's just one of the very, oh, even a little bit of machine grease still in there. One of the, obviously one of the very cheaper of the clasps, right? But stainless steel, all black PVD. A couple of micro adjusts, 3. I think it's actually kind of a nice watch band. But here we go. So just hints. I'm not saying much of anything, but you have an idea. But I actually have another strap coming from StrapX Pro that I think I would prefer to use with this build. I have a black one. Oh, sorry, I have a green one coming, which would make more sense, wouldn't it? So I have a green strap coming from StrapX Pro, and I think I would prefer to use that. It was an afterthought, and it just seems to make a lot more sense to me. But one of these days, you guys will see that too. It's always a weight on parts. Okay, this is a little bit bigger one. Let's see what's in here. I think I know what this one is, actually. Hey, it is what I thought it was. Wow. Well, that doesn't help. Try and break it right away. Wow. All right, let's try that again, shall we? Okay, I'm not really worried about the box, so it's getting opened how it gets opened. This is, I'm sure some of you might actually recognize, one of these guys. Tells you whether or not what you are, it tells you if your crystal is sapphire or if it's going to be hardlex like seiko or mineral crystals or just glass. So I've been wanting one of these because I got a couple of cases that I'm kind of curious about, actually, just to see what it is or not. I'll have to play with this guy before I say much about it. I'll have to play with it because I've never had one before. But this one apparently is supposed to be sapphire. So for 20 bucks, whoops, at the very least, I got a sapphire, flat sapphire crystal that, even for this guy, swap out the hardlex for an actual flat sapphire. Why not? Cool beans. So I'll have to throw some batteries in that guy and take a look at that. But moving on to the last one here. I have an idea of what these are, or what might be in here as well. We shall see. I could be totally wrong. So I thought it was similar packaging to something else I had got, but it doesn't seem to be. So now I'm not sure. Holy. Oh, there's a few things in here. Here we go. Okay, it is what I kind of thought it was, or at least some of. Just packaged differently. Fair enough. I got a couple more of these. I'm sure you guys recognize these from my first build. Got a couple more because I have some interesting builds coming up. Like I said, got a couple theme ideas coming up. These are actually surprisingly nice cases. Really, they're really not bad. Let's see what else. Should be, yeah, that's another one of those cases. So we've seen one of those. We don't need to see it again. What else do we got here? Nothing else. I think there should be a couple of movements. Yeah, there we go. Got two NH35 black date wheels and a set of hands. There we go. Well, there we go, people. Like I said, just a quick unboxing. I'm still waiting on a few other parts. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek at a couple of builds I have in mind coming up. I'm not going to say much more than that. You'll have to come back and see what I do. Anyhow, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Thanks again for stopping by to check out my video. See you all again soon. Take care, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.